guys, it's me. I'm back. It's day 5 of Spooktember Slam. We're gonna continue on with our Halloween decoration bonanza here. So I got another project today that is actually going to complete my left wall, or otherwise known as my old woman curtain wall. So yesterday you might have saw that I did the giant spider webs on my back wall over here, which came out pretty darn good if I do say so myself. And I believe I told you that was my cheapest project, but I was lying apparently. Today is actually my cheapest project. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making some paper bats to actually put around the curtain so I can create my own little bat cave, if you will. So this is something that you want to replicate. I highly recommend it because it's very cheap, but it's also incredibly easy. So you could do this with your kids. That would be a good time. If you need an activity, make some paper bats. But what are you gonna need? Your supplies are gonna be some construction paper. Get any color you want. I got black. This is 50 sheets for $1.99 at Hobby Lobby, you know. And then you're also gonna need some tape and then scissors, of course. That's all you're gonna need. Very, very easy. I don't even think I'm gonna use all of the 50 sheets of paper, and I know I'm not gonna use all of that tape. So this is probably under $2 to do this entire project. And I plan on filling this entire bowl with bats. So that's a heck ton of bats. But I'll go ahead and show you guys how to actually cut out a bat if you're not sure how to. And then we'll go ahead and start decking out this wall, right? Okay, let's go. All right, so take your piece of construction paper and fold it over at least once. The more you fold, the more bats you'll cut out at one time. So I'm folding twice. Once you do that, you need to cut out your bat. Feel free to print out a free template online, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut from memory on the folded edge. I start by creating a half circle and then a triangle for the ear, curving downwards to finish out the head, and then I create a curved line going up, and then a curved line going down for the top of our bat wing. Then, diagonally, I'm gonna create some wave shapes. So we have a curve and then point, curve and then point, curve and then point. And that finishes the wing. There you go, you got a bat. We got 2 bats here because we folded our paper twice. So just do that over and over again, baby. I'm done. I think this came out really good. The lights that you're seeing right now make it look great, but I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like tonight. So I'll sneak in a little video or a picture here. But this came out really, really good. And honestly, this was so freaking quick. It was easy and it was ridiculously cheap. So I didn't even use the whole pack of construction paper. I didn't use anywhere near that much tape. So all in all, this maybe cost me $1.50 tops. All right, so cheap project, cool effect, and it was quick. So you know what, if you got time, go do it with your kids. Put some bats on your wall. All right, now if you don't have a curtain wall like I do, don't worry, you could always put this around a fireplace. That would look really sick. You could have it going down your hallway. You could have it going along your ceiling. You do all sorts of stuff, you know? So get creative with it. You can put it almost anywhere in your house. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you. There's not that much to say, but I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do some window decals so there's a little bit of spookiness when you're looking outside of my apartment. But that's the plan. So if you want to see that, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.